Hello friends, in this video I will be going to share with you some of my perspectives, and these perspectives are especially in context with the post-COVID era. Now post-COVID, what are the things will be there which will be changing? So especially when it comes to the people, those who are in the business of sales and marketing, those who are there in the marketplace, their business model will going to change, their approach will going to change, and the way they are interacting with the customer will going to change, because this COVID has given us a lot of learnings, and I'm sure that in the time to come we all going to learn this and we all will be going to implement this throughout our life. Now what are the things which will be going to change post COVID? Number one, lot of interaction will happen in the business, but these interaction will take the change. Now this change will be in the field of, in the perspective of the new normal. What is new in this normal? The newness in the business opportunities, the business model will going to change. The way people are interacting with the customer will going to change, because customer may not be interested in terms of meeting their people with the face-to-face interaction, more of digital interactions. So this post-COVID era will going to give the opportunity for a lot of the organizations and the business opportunities for the digital organizations. They will emerge up, and along with this there will be a lot of industries, as you might have seen, which are getting affected because of this, and there is a huge hit to these industries. They will take some more time to come to the normal, and during this, the post-COVID era, a lot of people, they will face struggle in terms of coming back to their job and the profession. Now I remember here the point which is mentioned by Les Brown, that this is what the fear is killing us. Fear puts people in the hospital, and fear is one of the most important reason why people are facing the anxiety, depression, and a lot of neuropsychological disorders. Now when it comes to COVID, we need not to fear. We need to find out the opportunities. We need to find out the new avenues, what we can learn and what we can make ourselves, ready for the new opportunities and the new era, with the help of the new inculcation of the new learnings, and which possibly help us in terms of the new normal. So are you coping up with the change, possible change which you can foresee in the time to come post COVID era? Are you learning with the kind of opportunities available nowadays? And are you really making yourself more skillful, so that once this phase will get over, you will be emerging as a new normal and ready with to face the new challenges in the marketplace? So I wish you all the best. Do not fear because of this. Try to find out the opportunities and make yourself more strong, so that you will be much more employable. You will be much more stronger when it comes to facing the challenges. And wish you all the best. My request to you, keep subscribe this channel, put your comments on this, what are your thoughts on this, and wish you all the best. See you in the next video.